Good evening, boys and girls. Welcome back to another story time with Mr. Kevke. Hope that you had a great day at school today. Hope you're staying warm. I know it's been really, really cold. We have a great book. It's another book in that same series we've been looking at the past few days, and this is Spots. Spots. Always spot the fun in every situation. A wise person once told me that you see what you're looking for. So it's good to look for the good things. This is a story about finding spots. Just look for circles, speckles, and dots. They can bubble up big or shrink down quite small. Do you think they're able to spot them all? Some spots are stinky and some spots are clean, and some are the craziest you've ever seen. They love to be spotted, believe it or not, so when you see one, just point and yell, "Spot!" The thing about spots that makes them so great is all about the happiness that they can create. They add a design to each space they're on. Just look at the lizard, this frog, and python. To find some more spots, let us visit the zoo. Leopards and cheetahs and tall giraffes too have unique spots from their heads to their toes, but only the leopard has spots like a rose. If you go to a farm and you hear a loud moo, just look for a cow. They'll have quite a few. You might not expect to see a spot so big, especially the one on this large, smelly pig. One more animal that we just can't forget is a Dalmatian who lives in a firehouse as the firehouse pet. This spotted friend has a large amount, so many in fact, they'll be hard to count. Reading can be a great way to explore spots that you may not have seen before. An exclamation point has one on its head, and a question mark has a hook there instead. A period ends a sentence, a colon starts a list, and an ellipsis is where a long pause will exist. Now that you have been able to spot a few, here's a secret. You can make them too. You can paint or scribble or cut them out. Just having fun is what it's all about. They love to be counted from 10 to 1, which might be backwards, but it's so much fun. Try adding a break and two feathery wings. You can make a lovebird that so sweetly sings. You can also make bugs of all different kinds. Just make some more spots and add some more dark lines. If bugs aren't your thing, that's quite okay too. You can make a small creature that's covered in blue. Add one spot in orange and one in lime green. Together they make one big monstrous scene. And I'm having fun with the spots. If you like yummy sweets and you're very ambitious, then make two desserts that are fun and delicious. A spot for a cherry can make ice cream extra sweet, while more spots for gumballs make one tasty treat. Now let's look at a group of really small spots are called Pointillism, is a pattern of dots. Look closely and you'll see them all in a row, but far from away they make a rainbow. You can also see spots day by night. Just look at the sun and this moon shining bright. Or a dozen balloons with long curly strings, you can make spots be so many things. Now you're an expert at finding some spots. It's time to start practicing by making lots. And when you're done, make a story to share so that these spots can spread fun everywhere. So I'm going to encourage each of you to always find and spot the fun in every situation. I hope that each of you have a wonderful night, and I love you very, very much.